Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter your dataset, especially when it contains multiple date columns. Let's take a look at an example. We have an employee records dataset with fields like name, date of joining, last promotion date, and retirement date. Our goal is to filter these employee records based on a date range. For instance, we might want to find all employees whose date of joining falls within a specific range. Here's how it works. As you can see, we have from date and to date fields to specify the date range. Additionally, we have a drop-down menu that allows us to choose the date column we want to filter by, such as date of joining, last promotion date, or retirement date. The selected column is also highlighted to show which one the filter is applied to. Now, let's dive into how to set this up. First, let's clear everything to start from scratch. To write a basic filter formula, we use the filter function. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. We start with the filter function and provide the range of data we want to filter. Next, we specify the condition for filtering. For example, if we want to filter based on the date of joining, we'd use a condition like this. Date of joining greater than or equal to from date. Similarly, we add another condition, date of joining less than or equal to date. So, we've written our formulas, and they work correctly. However, one thing to notice is that we currently have the filter applied based on a specific column, like the date of joining. If we want to filter based on a different column, such as last promotion date or retirement date, we'd have to modify the formula again. This is not ideal. We want the filter column to be dynamic. To make the filter column dynamic, we will take help of index and match functions. We will also create a few named ranges to simplify writing our formula. Here's how to do it. Select the range, go to Data, click on Named Ranges, and name it accordingly. For example, I've named the header row range as header and the data range as employees. Now, instead of hard-coding the column reference in our filter formula, we'll use the index and match functions to make it dynamic. To dynamically reference the column, we use the index function combined with the match function. For example, to reference column B, date of joining, we can write index and provide employees as data range. We will skip row index, and for the moment we will provide 2 as column index. This formula seems to be working fine. However, to make this dynamic, we replace the column index with the match function, which matches our selected column in the dropdown with the header row. We will replace 2 with match formula, which takes value to match. Here it is, G2 containing names of date columns, then the match range, which is header range in our case, and 0 for exact matching. This formula dynamically references the column based on the value selected in the dropdown, G2, and matches it with the header row to get the correct column index. The date column dropdown is created using data validation. If you click on the dropdown, go to Data, and then Data Validation, you'll see it contains a list from the range B1 to D1 in the Employees tab. This ensures our filter options are dynamic. This is our completed formula. Here, you can see it is working fine. To summarize, what we did is created named ranges for the data and headers, used the index function to dynamically reference the columns, used the match function to find the correct column index based on the drop-down selection, applied these dynamic references in our filter conditions. This approach makes our filtering dynamic and much more flexible. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.